Do y'all build those handguards or?
Yep. Those are made right in Hebron, Kentucky. Nice. Yes, sir.
This video powered by our good friends at Craft Holsters. More about them here in a bit. We're in Indianapolis, Indiana, NRAAM 2023. Gonna walk into this exhibit hall. Gonna talk with some cool people. We're gonna check out some cool stuff. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel in the Anderson booth with Kyle. We got a 9mm rifle.
Yes, sir.
What's up with this dude?
All right, so this is our 9mm PCC. As you can see, it's got the 16-inch barrel, the 15-inch M-LOK handguard, fully M-LOK compatible on the bottom, left, right. You got your pick rail on top. You got your Night Stalker flash hider here. It's a blowback operated system. It's got your last round bolt hold open. So once you run the mag through, the bolt's going to lock to the rear, and you don't see that in a lot of PCCs.
Yeah, nice. Glock mags?
Yep, Glock magazines.
Any other versions or just the Glock?
We got the PDW. It's in a pistol of magazines.
Right.
No,
just all Glock.
Yep,
okay,
Glock.
Cool. And that flash hider that's the factory flash hider, right?
That's correct.
No special cost or upgrade charge on that fancy dude, huh? That's pretty cool. I like that handguard. Really slim, really low pro. Do y'all build those handguards or?
Yep. Those are made right in Hebron, Kentucky. Nice. Yes, sir.
Awesome. Kentucky made. So it's a racehorse. That's what you're saying.
Yes, it is. This is one of my favorite rifles, Clover.
Right. Real quick, I need to give a shout out to Craft Holsters for helping out the channel with travel to NRAAM 2023. If you're not familiar with Craft Holsters, they make a huge variety of leather holsters for over 3,000 different types of handguns. I've owned Craft Holsters for some time now and currently have a holster for my Ruger Blackhawk on the way. So for your next holster, do yourself a favor and check out craftholsters.com. Cool. Well, thanks for showing us that, Kyle. Really do appreciate it. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.